the CBI SIT meeting is underway. That's the breaking news coming in. It's happening at the CBI headquarters in Delhi. Suvaid Haque, the DIG of CBI, has been now appointed as the nodal officer between CBI and Mumbai Police. Big breaking story coming in. Sources have also revealed one part of the investigation is almost complete. More than half a dozen statements have been recorded by the CBI. Just look at the fast-paced manner in which the CBI is going at the moment. This also includes statements in regards to Sushant's finances. CBI has also recorded statement in connection to allegations against main accused Riya Chakraborty. In fact, a team of forensic science experts and analysts have been formed to assist the CBI Special Investigation Team. The CBI has established formal communication with Mumbai Police. That's the big breaking story that is coming in. Munish Pandey is now joining us live for the very latest. Munish, one part of the investigation already complete, and the Supreme Court ordered the CBI probe just yesterday. They're going quite fast in this investigation. If you could just tell us the details of what all has been completed, what's on the anvil, what's in the agenda, and what's the timeline looking like?
Yeah, well, Chaiti, I'm standing outside the CBI headquarters. Now, look at this headquarters. Outside it looks very calm, but inside a lot is happening. Now, what I'm given to understand is that the Central Bureau of Investigation and the SIT team, the senior officials, are meeting at this point of time in the same headquarters. Now, this meeting is very crucial because they will decide what will be the future course of action in this entire case. Now, also, I met few officers and they have told me that one part of investigation is almost complete. Now, this side is the complainant side. They already recorded statement of Sushant's father, Sushant's family member, but also they have recorded statement of people who are associated to the finances of Sushant Singh Rajput, and finance is something which all the agencies were probing at this point of time. But CBI claims that they will start afresh, they will use their own analyst, and then they will conclude that whether there was any financial angle involved in or not. They have also recorded statement in connection to the allegations against Riya Chakraborty, because this is again going to be very crucial. Now, Chaiti, since last so many days, there were so many fights between Mumbai Police, Bihar Police and other such agencies, but now we have been given to understand is that there was informal communication till yesterday, but now a formal communication has been established with Mumbai Police, which means that now CBI has started communicating with Mumbai Police. They will be gathering all the required evidence in the case. They will be taking all the documents, and an officer, Suvaid Haque, he has been appointed as nodal officer. That means he will be speaking to his counterpart with Mumbai Police so that they can gather all the information without any hurdle in this case. So CBI at this point of time is moving very fast. After
well, absolutely. Munish, you said it right. CBI is moving extremely fast in this particular matter, and that's the big breaking. We've scooped out the details of CBI SIT meeting on Sushant Singh Rajput case. Munish Pandey getting us up to speed with the very latest, the inside scoop on what is going on as far as the CBI investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned. That's the big breaking story we're breaking this afternoon here on India Today. In fact, for our viewers who have just tuned in, let's get you